Who is that behind you, Grammy? Who is it?
I don't know.
Introduce yourself, young man. Who are you?
I think it's Ruth.
It is Ruth.
Yes, it is Ruth.
Ruth?
It's Ruth. Hello, Ruth. Give Grammy a kiss, Ruth.
You're not married to Ruth, there,
I'm Garl.
Oh.
Oops.
I thought you was over there.
I was over here, but I was putting food in the refrigerator. I have to.
You were what?
I was working. That's strange. I know. See.
A good excuse is better than none.
That is better than any Irish proverb.
Well, I hope you enjoyed your
It's
eats.
better than that.
My what?
Yeah, oh, there's the candy.
I didn't have any candy.
What did you have?
I had ham and
Well,
potatoes. Did you?
No, I didn't have ham.
You didn't? No. Okay.